Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR cable locator. So it does come with a little pouch, which is excellent, so we can keep everything kind of organized. We got our instructions. So it does come with a 9-volt battery, and we got some earbuds. So this does have a speaker on it, but if you don't want to be bothering people around you, or if you just need to be able to hear a little bit more clearly, you can use the earbuds. It does have a bit of articulation, so you can kind of form it however you need to, which is actually kind of cool. Most of them don't do that. We have a button for analog and digital, and we have our indicator lights right there. And this is the transmitter. You can see we got 2 alligator clips, so those will clip onto our wires, and then this will transmit the signal so that our receiver can receive it. We also have digital, analog, and continuity. Now this one has a charging port, so this actually has a rechargeable battery in it. So that is a 162 543 3.7 volt 5.92 watt hour battery. Looks like they also gave us a screwdriver so that we can replace the battery. Always nice having all of our tools in one spot. On the right side we got our on-off switch, and this is also going to adjust the sensitivity. So if you're trying to find a wire that is deeper down into the ground, you might have to turn that sensitivity all the way up. It looks like they also gave us a stake, so if we don't have a ground that we can connect to, we can shove this into the ground and we can connect our earth wire to that. So if we want to test for continuity, we're just going to power this on, and if we connect these together, we can see we have continuity. So if you just want to see if a wire has breaks in it and you have access to both ends, you could just use this, connect both sides, and you'll have essentially an ohms meter. And whenever you do this, you want to do it on a wire that is not live. Now we can adjust the transmission power, so we're going to set that down or up. So right now I'm about 4 feet away from the wire, and if I bring the receiver up, so I was about 1 foot away, it started picking it up. And that is with the power all the way down. So if I was to bring this up, yeah, it picks it up much sooner. So now let's try analog. I'm going to hit the analog digital button. That'll turn green. There we go. Now I have a much more refined signal for that. It's quieter, might be a little hard for you to hear. I'll put the speaker closer to the mic. We can use that for getting a much closer pinpoint of the wire. And another cool thing I just found is that if we press and hold that, we actually have a light on the end. So that's kind of neat. So what that can be cool for is if you need to find a wire that's like behind some drywall or something like that, you can use this for that. And in analog, you'll be able to basically trace that thing out and find out exactly where that is. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool kit.